everyone. I miss you so much. Do you miss me? I miss you too. Okay, today we will learn a new word family. Are you ready? Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1. Here we are. I and N. Together, let's blend them. I, N, N. Good job. I, N, N. Super. تعالوا نراجع على الوردز فاميلي اللي اشتغلناها قبل كده. What is this? An. Super. What about this? N. Good job. And this one is in. Super. An, in, in. An, in, in. One more time. An, in. Good job. Now, can you see the picture? What is this? In. Pin. This is a pin. Picture number 2. What is this? In. Fin. In. Fin. Every fish has a fin. هل ممكن يا ترى نلاقي سمكة من غير fin? No, we can't. B, in, bin. B, in, bin. This is the bin. W, in, when. W, in, when. I win in the race. Now it's your turn. حاولوا تقرأوا الكلمات وكل ما نقرأ كلمة صح هناخد عليها point. Are you ready? Let's go. Pen. Super. Fin. Amazing. Bin. Good job. Win. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got 4 points. مين جاهز يلعب معايا لعبة؟ دلوقتي هنشوف صورة ونحاول نختار الكلمة الصح. Are you ready? What is this? Is this a egg, wig, or in, when? What is this? Is this a egg, wig, or in, when? Super, it's when. What about this one? Is this a in, pin, or in, fin? Good job, it's a fin. Now the last one. Is this a in, tin, or in, bin? Good job, it's a bin. Now, let's play another game. هنلعب دلوقتي لعبة الحرف الناقص. Fill in the missing letter. هنشوف كلمة ناقصها حرف ونحاول نفكر مع بعض ايه الحرف الناقص. Are you ready? Let's go. What is this? Good job. This is the word win. What is the missing letter? N. Super. ناقصها حرف ال N. Good job. What about this one? It's a pin. I have here N. يبقى اللي ناقص. Good job. Letter P. In, pin. What about this one? This is a fin. What is missing? Yeah, the missing is the first letter. أول حرف. in, fin. Now, let's count the points. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now, it's the sentence time. يلا نقرأ معانا الجملة وناخد 3 points. جاهزين؟ Let's go. I win the bin. I win the bin. Super! Guys, we've gained a lot of points today. Let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh my God, we've got 13 points. Super! هتلاقوا worksheets كتيرة جدا عليها تطبيقات. حملوها واتبعوها وابعتوها لي علشان اعمل لكم تكريمات. هتلاقوا فين الورك هتلاقوها في وصف الفيديو تحت. See you!
Word was Yamna.